welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Robin Goldberg. I am a nutritionist with Robin Goldberg Nutrition and Wellness. I do one-on-one nutrition consulting as well as workshops. I also wrote a cookbook called Hidden Veggies. And so today we're going to make one of the recipes from my cookbook. We're going to be making these carrot date cookies. Check those out. Don't those look delicious? They're awesome. So that's what we're going to make today. They're really good, super simple, so easy. All you really need is a blender. So start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. So start with that. All right, now we're just gonna put all of our ingredients in the blender. So simple. So we have 2 cups of oats. Measure those out and go right in. All right, 2 cups, that was 1. Here's 2. We have a half of a cup of pitted dates. Whoops, that's gonna go in. We're also gonna do a half of a cup of applesauce. Measure that out. Perfect. Throw that in. We have 2 carrots that I have already grated and chopped. So super simple, just have those ready and already throwing those in. 2 eggs. Just gonna crack them right in here. Sorry. Second egg. All right. We also need 2 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter these cookies will be. So you want them to be pretty ripe, but it's okay if they're brown, it's okay if they're mushy. That's even better. That's just gonna make them a little bit sweeter, which is great. Mine are pretty brown, so these are gonna be really delicious. So we're gonna get both of our bananas into our blender. And then we just need to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Sometimes I use a little bit of extra. Might add a little extra today. I love cinnamon, especially with these cookies. I think it goes really well with the cookies. So a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I'm just gonna blend this up. And then afterwards, we're gonna add in some mix-ins. So we'll blend this up first and then we'll talk about that. So I'm gonna put this on the blender. All right, our batter is nice and blended. You see that, very smooth. It was very easy. So now I'm just gonna take my cookie sheet that I have lined and I'm gonna scoop out some cookie size, make them as big or small as you want. So we're just gonna make some little cookie blobs onto my cookie sheet. They'll spread a little bit when they're cooking, but not too much. So you want to keep them a little bit apart, but they don't have to be spread like too far apart from each other because they're already kind of set, so they won't spread too much more than they do when you put them down. So I'm gonna layer all of these and then we will add in some mix-ins. All right, so I have laid out all of my cookies on my cookie sheet, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna add in a couple of mix-ins. I think I'm gonna do some with some chopped up apple that I have right here. And then I'm gonna do some with some chocolate chips. So mix it up. You can put in some nuts if you want. You can put in some coconut, which would also be good. Drizzle some peanut butter on them. Or I also like to put some peanut butter on top afterwards. Really whatever you like, but you don't have to put anything in them at all. They're delicious on their own. They don't even need any mix-ins, but sometimes the mix-ins are just fun. And you can also mix these in before you put them on your cookie sheet, but I kind of like how they show through on the top, so that's why I'm adding them in right now. So I'm gonna do about half of them with these apple slices, and then the other half, I'm gonna do some chocolate chips, and then we will put them in the oven. So I will finish getting all of these mixed in. Now we have some chocolate chips. I like to use dark chocolate chips. That's my favorite. Dark chocolate's also very good for you, a little bit more nutritious. The antioxidants in dark chocolate, which, makes me feel better about eating it. Not that I ever feel bad about eating cookies or chocolate, but when you have some extra antioxidants in it, I mean, how can you say no to a delicious chocolate chip cookie that also has some health benefits for it? And let's be honest, this is actually a healthy cookie to begin with, made with oats and carrots, banana, all the good dates, all the really good ingredients. So my cookies are ready to go in, so pretty easy, very simple. So now we're just gonna bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes. Putting them in the oven now. And the cookies will be ready soon. Oh my God, I wish you could smell my oven right now. The kitchen smells absolutely delicious. Cookies are done. Look at these. How good do those look? They came out so nice. They smell absolutely delicious. And I made 2 trays of them, so here's one that doesn't have anything in it. Look at how delicious that is. So good. Yum. So excited. All right, so I hope you enjoy these cookies. Thank you so much for watching my cooking demo. I hope that you make them. Let me know what you think. Again, my name is Robin Goldberg with Robin Goldberg Nutrition and Wellness. To get a copy of my cookbook, you can find it on my website or on Amazon. Again, it is called Hidden Veggies. Check it out. It has this recipe plus many, many more. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy.